My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called 34678. And my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. All of that can be opened easily without troubles. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this 34678 ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So this is what happens. You can clearly see the files on our desktop have been given this weird extension 34678. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. But I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Download the software, install the program, and start researching the computer. This software would first of all update its anti-malware database. By the way, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. It does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations on the computer. I recommend you to upgrade to Premium. This is the best way to get your data protected and the best way to remove this ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.